No before and no beyond. Every loss becomes the bond. Through the void, the choir ascends. One eternal song, it never